Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Alinma Bank app black screen problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Alinma app, then tap on app info option, and now tap on storage usage option on the top, and now tap on clear cache and clear data, and then OK. Now this has finished, so close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom right corner, then tap on search bar on the top and type Alinma, and now OK. Now Alinma app has appeared, so here you will see update button option. So simply tap on update to update this app to latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.